Another way to get people inside of your chatbot is by using what is called ref links. So these are specific links that you can set up with certain extension parameters to customize your chatbot links a little bit more and brand them, and then use them anywhere you want to. So you can use them on social media, you can use them inside of Facebook advertising, you can use them in an email, for example. So you can get people inside your chatbot more easily than just sending them to your Facebook page and then let them press the send message button. So the way to access these ref URL tools are by going to the tools section. And then from here, you will have the m.me links and ref parameter. So if we check this, you will be able to set up a lot of things, right? So we already set up a few examples, but let me add a new ref by pressing this button. So if we do this, we can create a ref parameter, and that means that the last part of the ref URL will contain this parameter. So for example, welcome to Elegant Bots. And we can add a bot response. So for example, if I want to answer with a text only, that's also possible. I can answer with a flow, or I can answer with a step. For this video, I will just cover the flow section, and then we can just select the flow we want to. And then we can also save the payload to a user custom field. So if we check this, you can add any data to the ref URL and save the data into a custom field of your choice. So the way this works, and I will show you in just a little bit. Let me see if we have a certain thing we can use. Let's say we are going with the course code as a custom field. It's not the appropriate custom field, but otherwise I need to create one. So the way this works, let's press save. Let's find the ref URL, welcome to Elegant Bots, and we can get the link. You will see it being copied in the bottom left corner, but my webcam is hovering over it, so maybe you will not see it, but it states copied. And then from here, if we open a new tab, we can say welcome to Elegant Bots by pasting it, right? Because we copied it to our clipboard. And the way to add a value to that custom field we set up, for example, if you want to test where people are coming from. So the custom field could also be source, right? Traffic source. But in this case, if we want to post something on LinkedIn, I could say, okay, this will be the LinkedIn payload. So this link will contain the LinkedIn parameter. So if we do this, so let's do that. We are going to the welcome to Elegant Bots message. And from here, you will get started with the correct flow. And the most important thing is the payload that has been saved to your custom profile. So if we take a look there, we should have LinkedIn under the custom field code. So let me search for my profile. There we are. So if we go with the course code, you will see that LinkedIn has now been saved as a payload. So we use the payload to save a certain value like LinkedIn. So I'm using this code on LinkedIn only, on a LinkedIn post. And you can do the same for Facebook. You can do the same for Instagram if you want to put it inside your bio. If the traffic source would be email, you could just add email to it. So it's a great way of personalizing the link itself, and also getting extra value from extra information from where your customers are coming from, where your subscribers are coming from, or if you want to pass on any other information itself, you can do so inside the ref URL.